Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow free guest post backlink on this website. So the website name is Florence News 19 and the website URL is locurblog.com. So this is a website URL and I can also provide this website URL in the description section. So where you guys will access easily. So before the started, we can do quick audit of this website. So according to DAPA checker, this website domain authority is 54 and the spam score is only 1%. And you can also see this URL. And this website domain age is 70 years. And if I can show you this website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb, this website having 14.7K monthly traffic and mostly traffic from India and the Pakistan. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login and register. So there you can fill your username, your email address. Then you guys will choose your password. Then you can reconfirm your password. You can acknowledge the terms and condition. Click on register, and you can see your profile is created. Now what we can do, we can update our profile details. So first you guys will upload your profile picture. Then after you can add something about your profile. Then you can paste your description here. After you can click on save changes and you can see your profile is submitted. What you can do next, you can go to your username and click on admin panel. So you can see this is your publisher dashboard. So you can navigate to the add post, click on this, click on add post, and there you can put your article title. So I have already generated my content. So you can copy your article title. You can paste your title here. There you can add a short description. So let me copy the description from my website because recently I published a one blog for the unconscious bias. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So you can paste your blog description here. Then you can add some keywords. So unconscious bias in recruiting. Then there you can add some tags. Then after there you can add your content. So this is the content I already generated and optimized my content for the and this content is optimized for the heading and the internal hyperlink. Then you can paste your content here. Then after you can optimize your headings. So you can see this content is looks good. And if you guys have no idea how to hyperlink, you can select your keyword. Then you can see there is I guess there is no any button to how you can hyperlink. Yeah, you can click on three dot and you can see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this and there you can paste your website and the landing page URL. Okay, then after you can click on save. So once you guys will complete these things, then after you can upload a profile picture, sorry, a banner image. So let me download this image. So now let me upload a banner image. So you can click on browse file. Then you can select your image, click on open. Then you can select your image from here. Click on select image. So you can see there I have added my banner image. Once you guys will complete these things, now the time is you can update a category. So category is English. Okay, category is there. So technology, science, health, press release, businesses, educations. So technology. Then after, if you're wanting, you can select your subcategory, but there is no any drop down. So once you guys will complete all the things, then after you can click on add post and you can see post successfully added. Now you can go to the your home dashboard, click on post. Either you can click on the your post. There you can click on post. You can see this is your blog. So click on this URL and open in new tab. So you can see this is our article. This is a instant approved backlink. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is an instant approved backlink. And if I can show you the backlink is do follow or no follow. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink with there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow free guest post backlink on this website. Okay, and following the same method, you can also publish a video on this website. Okay, so overall, this is the process for the creating guest post and the video backlink on this website. So yeah, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So where you guys will access this website easily. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.